南极海全球上大的冰山 A23A 当咧往北边耍，专家当咧密切关注百万只徛鵝佮海豹生湠地的一个島嶼，但是冰山佇遮靠礁，徛鵝的生態就可能會受影響。
世界上上老上大冰山 A23A， 这个起层冰山将近4000平方公里，相当大块的岩头管大小，一条向南极洲外边缘岛屿刷过去，伊差不多含负1兆吨淡水，可能會喺山頂凍的時陣引起。
Frequency with which they happen has increased dramatically due to climate change. So icebergs like this, megabergs like this are completely natural. It's what ice sheets do. They sort of slide down from the center of Antarctica until they hit the ocean, and they float until they're pushed out and they snap off.
新聞號專家更加密切注意的是，冰山可能會弄到超水亞島個可化。
It's likely in the next 2 to 4 weeks that the current will take it to the margins of South Georgia. The water becomes much shallower. South Georgia is a amazingly ecologically rich island. It's a breeding ground for a huge number of penguins, millions of penguins and seals. And at the moment it's summer there, and so they're well into their breeding cycles. There's lots of pups and chicks, and they're all still dependent on their parents. So the parents go out into the ocean quite a long way from the island and forage and bring back food. If this iceberg parks there, it will potentially block pathways to their food.
也就是講，徛鵝媽媽愛去較近的所在找食物，就會消耗更較濟體力。食徛鵝等待時間會更較長，不幸是這大大增加死亡率。這啲以前都已經發生過。公視新聞黃文玲報道。